Hey there! Today we're changing out these roller wheels to make the bike more stable when folded. You see that the lightest push would tip the bike over? I think it's because the wheels are set too close together. I have a pair of roller skates that I'm not allowed to play with anymore. You will need longer bolts since roller skate wheels have two bearings in them and are thicker. You will also need some washers. So just sandwich the wheel with the washers and bolt it back onto the roller rack. I later changed the bolt into the hexagon ones so that they will be compatible with the other bolts on the bike. The washer pushes the wheels out so it doesn't hit the rack. You can also add some washers onto the front rollers to create an even wider base when it's folded. And here is the push test. Hope you find this helpful and thanks for watching!